Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ni Joyang sa Instagram. Sabi niya, pulang araw legacy na nilike agad ni Barbie Fortesa. At yan na nga, nakakatawa to. Biglang mo nakatingala talaga sila Barbie dito kay Joyang. Next is Joyang with the very handsome David Licauco and Miss Barbie Fortesa na medyo dugyot yung suot. And Dennis Trillo. Grabe yung reaction ni Joyang. Parang gulat ka, no? Next naman is Joyang with Dustin Yu and Joyang with Miss Angelou De Leon. At next naman ay post ng preview page. Sabi, this 2024 previous Best Dressed list spotlights the standout personalities whose personal styles have become extensions of who they are and what they represent in the society. Meet the country's most stylists who made it to the previous 2024 Best Dressed list. So, ang pinakasikat nga dito ay si Mateo, si David, at saka si Janine Gutierrez. At David Licauco, like most of his wardrobe choices, David is quiet and uncomplicated, yet is brimming with charisma. One would seldom spot the nation's beloved gentleman in loud prints or over-the-top silhouettes, as he all about keeping it chill. When he's not in character, donning ensembles and periods as time goes by, he dresses himself on the nonchalant side of things. Ay na nga, napaka-cute na si David. Given his multiple endeavors, the Jamie Sparkle actor picks out looks that can easily take him from a business meeting to a photo shoot and perhaps even workouts later. At this point of his career, his laid-back sense of style has become a tool in allowing his boy-next-door charm to shine through. Silent confidence has brewed within David is something many onlookers can't help but obsess over. What fashion trend do you want to start and bring back? 1940s style. During the 1940s, very loose pants, tapos high-waisted, nakapamada yung mga tao. Prim and proper sila. Ayan na, very handsome David in loose pants. At ito naman, post ni Tito Jack. Ito raw ay sa Shangri-La the Fort. At yun na nga, video ni Tito Jack. Ayan na nga, si Tita Ida. Napaka-social nila talaga. At yun na nga, si David. At babysitter na naman siya ni Jimmy. At suot niya na naman yung kanyang mamahaling jacket na paborito niya. Bakit nakapaborito yan? Anyway, parang siya nagpo-photoshoot pa rin, no? Parang pwede sa magazine yung mga pictures ni David. Ang cute, diba? Ay, ito, ang cute din. Grabe. Candid shot pero pwede sa magazine cover. At yun na nga, kompleto sila. At yun na nga si David in his white shoes. At yun na nga yung mga foods nila. O, diba? Happy New Year. May orasan pa yun. Ay, lahat bawal daw. Ala. Grabe. Komedyante rito si Tito Jack, no? Ayan, no? Cheese at wasabi. Happy New Year na lang. Grabe, no? Nakakatawa rin siguro ito si Tito Jack. Hindi kasi sila nagpapa-interview, no? Maganda sana kung ma-interview rin si Tito Jack. Tsaka si Tita Eden, no? Interviewin sila ni Barbie. Anyway, ito na nga more videos. Ayan, napakount tayo. Si Jean, si Tita Eden, si Mr. Kim, ang cute na si David, tsaka si Tito Jack. At yun na nga. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Ayan na. 2025. Ayun. At yan na, countdown. Kaya ano naman to, kay Tito Jack din. Ayan. So yan na yung paborito natin na Build Me Up Buttercup. At yan, kaya ano naman to, ay kay Tito Jack din pala tong video na to. Mahaba pala siya, guys. At yun na nga. More. Ayan, si David. Masyado malapit na naman. Sana nilayo ni Tito Jack para nakita natin si David. Ayan, 2025. Yan na. Diba? Social, mayayaman itong mga to. Kasi mahal sigurado yan, guys, no? Alam ko may pabupe yan, eh. Tapos, magkano ka? Hindi ko na-search yung kung magkano siya. Ayun. From Tito Jack Licauco na napakasipag mag-video ni Tito Jack. Kung di nagbibideo si David, si Tito Jack talaga nagbibideo. Grabe. At yan. Ayan na nga si Jean at saka si Baby Jimin. At next naman ay IG stories ni James Licauco. Happy New Year, all love 2025. At next naman ay Instagram post ni Barbie Fortesa for New Year 2024. You were so colorful. Checklist number 1, saw Taylor Swift at the Eras Tour. Checklist number 2, paid off our house. Checklist number 3, personal growth. 2025, I'm so excited for you. At ang emoji niya nga ay airplane, so travel, may coffee, may film, at may picture. Wow. Parang alam na natin gagawin ni Barbie sa 2025. At medyo nagulat na kami doon sa background music ng kanyang video. So, begin again. So, bakit begin again? Nagbago. Ano bang ibibigin ni Barbie, di ba? Anong bago sa kanya? At ulit-ulit yung at the Wednesday, at the cafe, I watch it begin again. So, tamang-tama nga Wednesday kasi ang New Year, guys. Ngayon, Wednesday ngayon. Ayan na nga, mukhang masaya naman si Barbie. At napaka-pretty. At nag-comment kasi Tita Amy Fortes, sabi niya, take a moment to appreciate your strength. Keep moving forward. Happy new life. Huh? Ano yung new life ni Barbie? Anong bago sa kanya? Kunwari hindi natin alam. Baang-maangan tayo. Tweet ka ni Mitch Silver, looks like B is happier now, more than ever. Single era na ba ite? Whatever it is, I'm just glad that you're genuinely happy, Barbie dear. Just here to support you always. Ayun na nga guys, I saw the sign. Ito na yung second sign na hinintay natin. Yung Christmas and then New Year, wala si Jack. So, medyo convinced na ako na 50-50 na either may tampuhan or talagang nag-break na ang Jack B, no? Isa na lang ang hinihintay natin talaga guys, January 19. Pag wala pang post ng January 19, yun confirm na talagang break na talagang Jack B. Ayoko naman kasing i-announce na dito na break na tapos bigla-bigla sa 19 meron na naman mansari, di ba? Dapat wala na ring mansari pagka ganon, di ba? At magandang balita yan kasi marami talaga nag-aabang kay Barbie. Basta makonfirm lang talaga na break na siya with Jack na kuno. Ang dami manliligaw dyan, grabe. Kung alam nyo lang. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about the updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!